Today I'm bringing you a look at the JamboPhone. This is the gold version. As you can see, this is the basic box. I also had plastic wrap around it. I already removed that. As we take off the wrap, it says start earning today with the Jambo app. You just basically play different games. I think do different tasks and then claim rewards. So that's what I'm excited about. On the top, you've got that ancient 3.5mm headphone jack. Looks like there's some sort of like microphone up here. You got a microphone down here, and then you've got the speaker panel right here. It's a little bit of a speaker. At least it has USB-C though. That's that new technology. And then you've even got a SIM card slot up here. I haven't seen one of those in a while. And then here you've got the power button, the volume rockers. Let's go ahead and just start this thing up. Let's take a look at this box. You've got a SIM card eject tool. And the nice thing is it comes with a case. Not many phones actually come with a case. So since this does have like a specific geometry, you want to make sure that there's a case available right off the bat, and there's probably not too many cases available online, so this will get you going. Just a basic clear case. You've got the user manual here. It's quite a bit of information about how to use Jambo Earn, how to use the Jambo app, so that's good to know. And then here you've got a USB-C to USB cable, and that even comes with the power brick. So it looks like you got some sort of like weird alien connector here. Not sure what that's about. So here is the first screen that shows up. Let's go ahead and click on start. No need for a SIM card. Connect to Wi-Fi. All done there. Now it's getting the phone ready. As you can see on the top there, you've got that notch for the camera. So lots of Android phones are doing that nowadays. And just looking at the display, you can tell it's a kind of a lower end display there. It's asked me to sign in with my Google account and not use location. Skip the pin. So right off the bat, you could see you got a lot of apps pre-installed on here. You can just see all the different, you got some popular ones like TikTok, X, Discord. You've even got some random games. But the one that really interests me here is the Jambo app. So let's go ahead and open that thing up. So I made the account and they're asking for a referral code. It's a pretty nice little introduction there. Allow to send notifications. And it says, welcome to Jambo. Here's an onboarding sequence. You can complete earn projects to get monetary rewards. You can play games in the play section and then store and manage assets in the wallet. Even apply for loans. That's interesting. Web3 identity is your Jambo score. All makes sense in navigation bar at the top. So nice little introduction there. It looks like I have to update this app. I'm gonna go ahead and update the app as it called for that. So first thing I did was check in. As you can see, there's a daily check-in right there, and you earn more rewards each day. It looks like day 4 and day 7, you get like an extra Jambo point or something like that. Scrolling down, we can see there are several different featured games. The scrolling's a little bit slow. You're just definitely gonna have to expect some loading times here as you're using this. Looks like this is just pretty much the gist of it. Wallet, play, I like the tabs. It's all like pretty straightforward. I just kind of want to see what like one of these games looks like. We're Afterlife. Okay, it looks like the games actually pop up in the Play Store. See more ways to earn. So it looks like just opening up apps, you can earn things. 3 USD and 1 point. Not sure what I have to do to actually get that. Quest, bedtime challenge. Huh. So still like plenty of slots available. Set your ideal bedtime. Stick to this bedtime. Screenshot it for 7 days, and then you can submit it for $3. You can tell this thing's like definitely just in the starting phase, but let's check out that camera just for fun. And allowed to make phone calls. I mean, I'll allow that, I guess. So there is the camera, flipping the camera around. The quality is just like decent. It's what you'd expect from a $100 Android phone. Text messages. This is all like stock Android stuff. It's definitely a good burner phone just to have around, and also great to use that Jambo app. Hopefully they'll get new features on that in the future. If you have any questions about the phone, I can definitely answer those for you. Go ahead and drop a comment below. And make sure that you use my special referral code, please. Thanks for watching and have a good one.